How close did the drones get to Moscow, and what damage did they cause? The recent drone attacks surprised many by reaching the heart of Russia's capital, challenging its defenses like never before. In recent drone attacks, several unmanned aerial vehicles managed to fly into Moscow's city limits, with some reportedly reaching central neighborhoods. This was a significant event because Moscow has one of the most heavily guarded airspaces in the world. The drones were able to bypass multiple layers of anti-aircraft defenses, highlighting vulnerabilities in the city's protective measures. Their presence so close to the Kremlin and other key sites was both symbolic and strategic, showing a new level of reach in modern drone warfare. Despite their proximity, the drones caused surprisingly limited physical damage. Most impacts were on peripheral infrastructure, such as warehouses or transportation hubs, with no major government buildings or population centers hit directly. Importantly, no significant casualties or critical disruptions to Moscow's essential services were reported. This suggests that while the drones demonstrated reach, their destructive capacity or targeting precision was limited, or that effective countermeasures minimized harm. Beyond physical damage, these drone incursions sent a strong strategic message. They exposed security gaps in Moscow's air defense and raised global awareness of how drones can be used to threaten even the most secure cities. The attacks sparked urgent discussions about improving drone detection and countermeasures. They also underscored the evolving nature of modern warfare, where small, relatively inexpensive drones can challenge superpowers and cause psychological impact disproportionate to their physical damage. The drone attacks on Moscow showed how even the most fortified cities are not immune to new types of threats. While physical damage was limited, the psychological and strategic impact was enormous. Understanding these events helps you grasp the future of urban security and warfare. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.